Hey everyone, I'm Jennifer, and today I'm here with
Brees.
We're going to show you a recipe that is perfect for getting kids more involved in the kitchen with you. These air fryer chicken nuggets are super easy to make.
And super delicious.
It's paired with air fryer roasted broccoli to make this a healthy meal.
But you can also make it with any kind of frozen vegetables, like California blend, green beans, or my favorite, Brussels sprouts. So let's get started.
First, we're going to wash our hands.
You want to wash your hands for at least 20 seconds, or sing the ABCs.
To make cook time a breeze, you can measure out all of your ingredients ahead of time.
Measuring is fun. It's important to measure accurately. I like to make sure that I am using the correct measuring spoon. It's easy to get a teaspoon and a tablespoon mixed up. Remember, TSP is teaspoon and TBSP is tablespoon.
To start the chicken nuggets, we're going to take a large mixing bowl and add an egg. You want to make sure to crack the egg on a hard, flat surface with a firm hit that isn't too hard. Then add canned chicken, shredded mozzarella, grated Parmesan, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. Okay, Brees, give everything a good mix until it forms a paste. Great job, Brees. To shape the nuggets, take about a tablespoon of chicken mixture and form into a ball. Then flatten it like this to make it look like a chicken nugget.
Like this?
You got it. Brees is a natural in the kitchen. Now I'm going to preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and spray it with some oil. Then arrange the nuggets in the air fryer so that none of them are touching. Now, pop them in the air fryer and cook them until they are golden brown, about 6 to 8 minutes. This usually takes 2 batches to finish the recipe, but when you're done, you will have 4 servings of delicious golden chicken nuggets. And this is a great recipe for a busy family, like yours, Brees.
Yes, we have a family of 7, so this is sure to make everyone happy. And this is such an easy recipe for kids like me to help with.
Now for the air fryer roasted broccoli. You can use a large mixing bowl to incorporate all of your ingredients, but you can also save dishes by doing this in your air fryer basket.
Now that's what I'm talking about, less dishes to wash.
Like the chicken nuggets, preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray the basket with olive oil. Add your bag of broccoli and spritz again with the olive oil spray. Then add the grated Parmesan, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper, and toss everything together until the broccoli is coated. Now, depending on the size of your air fryer, you may need to do this in more than one batch. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes or until it is crispy. And there you have it! Delicious and kid-friendly air fryer chicken nuggets and broccoli.
Definitely kid-friendly.
Any leftovers should be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator. The chicken nuggets will keep for 3 days, and the roasted broccoli will keep for 1, but it won't be as crispy once it's refrigerated.
I don't think there'll be any leftovers in my house. The recipes for air fryer chicken nuggets and roasted broccoli can be found online at lsuagcenter.com/buildahealthymeal or in the description box below. Follow us on Pinterest and Instagram for more healthy meal ideas.
So come on, let's build a healthy meal.